Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple blog here on Wix. All right. So first up, go ahead and create your Wix account. Okay. Once you're in here on your dashboard, go ahead over to sites and then go ahead and go to the top right and click on create new site. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and use the Wix Studio or the OG Wix editor. Okay. I'm just going to be using this one. Click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, the AI prompt right here will pop up. So just go ahead and click on setup without chat. Okay. Down here, instead of going through this, just go ahead and click on skip for now. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go to the top right and click on design site. Click on it. Now pick a template. Okay. Down here, you have the blog tab. Okay. It could be personal blog, food and travel, news, art, fashion, sports, podcast. So I'm just going to be using maybe personal blog, and I'm going to try to make a simple blog about gaming. Okay. Maybe I'll just choose this one, a simple one. Edit. Close this prompt. And once done, begin editing. Okay. For changing the image right here, just click on the image itself. Now click on quick edit. All right. As you can see here, it says manage a video because this is a video. You can go ahead and delete this one and change it to an image if you want to as well. And to do that, I'm going to show you. I'm going to delete this block or element first. This one. Click on three dots, hit on delete. Okay. I'm going to add a section right here. Okay. And I'm going to add an element like so. Image, upload and import. Upload your own image if you want to. Okay. Click on it and now upload from your computer or from these apps. Okay. Upload. And maybe I'm just going to add in my rig right here. Okay. Maybe this one. Open. Wait for it. Once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on it and make sure that it is highlighted and selected. Add to page. All right. Now you can squeeze this one if you want to, or crop it like that. All right. Now once done, in this area, you can go ahead and click on it. Now hit on quick edit. All right. Here you have the paragraph. You can go ahead and edit this one. Just press on backspace to delete. And then I'm just going to copy this sample right here. Maybe I'm going to add in the title first. Okay. Title, the top, bold, and you can just easily click on go to text settings for more design options. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add in the introduction like so. Okay. You can go ahead and make this bigger if you want to. Change the font if you want to as well. Just go ahead and click on it and edit text. Okay. You have multiple options here. Font. Maybe Cosmic Sans right here. You have effects and some other options. Okay. I'm going to delete this button right here and then add in some more. Okay. Maybe in here. If you want to add in some video, you can go ahead and do so. Just do the same thing as what we did for image. Okay. You can delete this one. Go to add elements. And go ahead and locate video and music. Single video players. You can upload straight up from your YouTube. Okay. I might do that just for you to see right here. So to add in your video URL, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on change video. Right here, it will need the URL. So delete this one. Now go ahead and find your specific video. For example, this video right here. I'm just going to click on the URL box, right click and hit on copy. I'm going to move it away, paste that in here. Okay. Wait for it. And as you can see here, we have the YouTube video. Just close this one. Maybe we'll add in a little more text right here, like edit this one. Fit it if you want to. Delete this title. Like so. All right. That's basically how you do it. You can now go ahead and further customize your specific blog. If you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and hit on save. add in your custom domain or by using the free Wix domain. Okay, save and continue, then hit on preview. All right, here's the preview of the sample blog. The title, introduction, the video here as well. I'm not going to play it, YouTube TOS. So once you're happy with it, to make it online, just gotta click on publish and follow the simple prompts. And after that, you will get the link for your website or blog and share it wherever you want. But that's basically how you create a blog here on Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.